Hello and welcome to Craftiosity, the subscription box of modern craft kits. This month we're using copper leaf to decorate a ceramic leaf dish. You might have heard of gold leaf before, used to gilt furniture or picture frames. We're using a metallic leaf with a bright copper colour and love the effect it has with the white matte texture of the leaf-shaped dish. Inside your kit you'll find your copper leaf, a paintbrush, some PVA glue and your ceramic leaf dish. Use kitchen roll to wipe the dust off your leaf dish before you begin. Put around a 10p size of PVA glue into a jam jar lid, then add about the same amount of water. Mix them together using your brush until they're fully smooth. Brush the glue onto the leaf dish in a thin layer across the whole top, then let this base layer dry. Once it's dry, add another thin layer of the glue to one side of the dish. Wait until the glue is tacky, then tear off a small piece of the copper leaf and lay it onto the glued dish. If your glue mix is still wet when you apply the leaf, it can turn the copper green, so only apply once the glue has become tacky to touch. Tap it down into the dips or leave it slightly raised at the dips for more of an antique crackle effect once you've finished. Fill in the whole dish. If you find a section has dried out or when you come to do the second half of the dish, add more glue and then let it go tacky again. Let the dish dry completely overnight. Wash out your brush and let it dry completely too. With your dry glue brush, brush off the excess copper from the dish. Once the main pieces are removed, go over with your dry brush again to clear the finer pieces. Then use soft kitchen roll or cotton wool to brush off any excess. Mix up a little more PVA and water to a milky consistency, then thinly varnish it onto your dish to seal it. Again, make sure it's not too watery or it could make the metallic copper green. This will give your dish some protection but isn't waterproof, so please don't use for edibles. Leave the dish to dry overnight and well done, your copper leaf dish is complete. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. If you have, subscribe to our channel or head on over to our website at craftiosity.co.uk and sign up to our newsletter for regular creative inspiration, interviews with makers and designers and tutorials landing in your inbox.